I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Data Plus. Data Plus is an innovative platform that helps you centralize and analyze all your business data efficiently. It provides real-time insights, automates reporting, and significantly enhances your decision-making process. You'll discover how to transform raw data into actionable intelligence, saving countless hours and improving overall data accuracy across your organization. Let's dive in and unlock its full potential. Getting started with Data Plus is straightforward. First, navigate to the official website and create your account. Once registered, you'll use the integration wizard to connect your diverse data sources, like your customer relationship management system or enterprise resource planning software. This process typically takes less than 5 minutes per source. Finally, configure your initial settings, including user access levels and data refresh frequencies, ensuring your data is always up to date and secure. Data Plus empowers you to analyze your information with remarkable ease. You can build custom dashboards using a simple drag-and-drop interface, visualizing key performance indicators that matter most to your business. Generate comprehensive reports in just a few clicks, and even schedule them for automatic delivery to your team. Furthermore, leverage the powerful predictive analytics features to forecast future trends, helping you proactively identify opportunities and mitigate potential risks with greater confidence. To maximize your Data Plus experience, consider exploring its advanced features. You can set up custom API integrations to connect with specialized third-party applications, extending its capabilities even further. Utilize the built-in collaborative tools to securely share dashboards and reports with your team, fostering better communication. Remember to implement strong data governance policies and regularly review user access permissions to maintain optimal security and data integrity across your entire organization.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.